Bona has 10 pencils in the pencil case. 3 of the pencils are blue, 7 of the pencils are red. Bona takes out a pencil at random and note the color. He then takes out the second pencil at random and writes down its color. And what happens during the first picking? So during the first one, to pick a blue, is 3 out of 10. And also to pick a red will be 7 out of 10. That one is very easy for us to understand. Now, when it comes to probability tree diagram without replacement, you need to be very careful during the second picking. Now, during the second picking, if you are on blue, it means you already picked a blue. Let me just repeat the animation for you to see. We had 3 before. So now on the second pick, assume that we picked the first one was a blue. That means you won't have any 3 blues, but you have only 2 blues. So the probability of picking the next blue will be 2 out of total of 9. As you can see, there are 2 out of 9. 2 blue out of 9. But the red will still be the same number, but the total will still be out of 9. So getting a red will be 7 out of 9. Now once you finish one side, you need to revert to the original position. So we revert back, and we start again. On this line, we are saying we picked a red, so we need to take one of the red off. And therefore, we won't have 7 red, we will have 6. So getting a red will be 6 out of 9, and we will still have 3 blue as it was originally, and the blue will be 3 out of 9. So this is the only difference between probability tree diagram with replacement and without replacement. So when it's without replacement, you need to be careful with your second section of the diagram. Now let's label our work. So we have blue, 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 red, red, blue, and red, red. At most, 1 pencil is taken. At most, that means the maximum number of one red pencil should be 1. We don't want more than 1, so it should be 1 red pencil or no red at all. So as you can see, that will be these 3 options. And the easy way is to work out 2 reds and take it away from 1. So to get a red, 2 reds will be 7 over 10 times 6 over 9. And if you take that from 1, that will give us 48 over 90. Now for the second part, exactly 1 blue pencil. Exactly 1 blue pencil, so the 2 options. So that's 10 times 7 over 9. Then we have 10 times 3 over 9. And that gives us 42 over 90. So that's the first example without replacement. Second example,